friends, we are making something new and unique teacher day card. It's beautiful, it's very easy handmade greeting card, and you can try and make this greeting card is for teacher. And so let's follow them sign. So let's follow them sign. We make patterns and then cut a flower with red sheet, red paper sheet. It's not easy. Flower and easy. After making the flower and fixes it on the card, it's very beautiful and unique. It's little bit effort and make a unique and gorgeous things. After fixing, how you like it? Greeting card. Look, stunning and beautiful. If you like it,